Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send cryptocurrency using Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the wallet. We have the earn screen where you can of course earn. We have the discover and your ledger where you can check out your own ledger. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send cryptocurrency using Ledger Live. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to send cryptocurrency using Ledger Live, you just need to go and click on the, as you can see, we have in the bottom of the screen, we have four options. As we already talked, we have the wallet, earn, discover, ledger, and the fifth option is in the middle of the screen, as you can see, and that is the option that you need to go and click on. Here you need to click on. Of course, for all you need in the end to trade, so you have to buy a device. And of course, then you just need to go and click on send in the top corner. As you can see, send crypto to another wallet. You need to go and click there. And of course, when you buy the ledger, and of course, then you can just go and send crypto using the Ledger Live application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.